red, blood, red.
Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here today. I talked myself into opening my third box of 2022 Bowman Mega Box. I think these are Target exclusives. I got it from Target.com, so I didn't have to pay ridiculous secondary market prices for a box. And my last box was so good, I decided I have to open my last box. I was going to keep one sealed, but nah, why not? Why not rip it? Might find something cool in here. I hardly ever open mega boxes, so they're just so hard to get. But this year, since people were fist fighting at Targets to get cards, it's made it where Target limits people so much you actually have a chance to get them. So thank you, Target, for making it possible for me to get some of these. Now in there you get 4. These are like really weak. They're not even retail packs. They're just, see, they don't have odds on them. And I've heard that you really can't get anything in these, but you can get Bowman First Chromes. But there's no color or autos or anything. But these, the Mega Box packs, these are the ones where all the yummies in it. So let's go ahead and rip into these. We'll save our Mega Packs for the end. Because, you know, everybody wants you to open the best stuff last. Everybody knows that. I'll get some sleeves ready. I don't have to dig through here and get them. Because we know we're going to get a few nice Bowman Firsts. Rodolfo Castro, rookie. Connor Wong. How can you be right when you're Connor Wong? Josh Lowe, rookie. Nelson Cruz. Feels like he's not on the Rays anymore. Maybe he's still on the Rays. Max Scherzer with those 2 different color eyes. Good luck with that first name. Noel, Bowman First. Luke Waddell, Bowman First. Eduardo Lopez, these are paper first. Hey, there's a Logan Cerny, Bowman First Chrome, and a Luis Rodriguez. Seems like every pack I've been getting 1 Bowman First Chrome. So even these packs, at least you're going to get a Bowman First Chrome. Good chance, anyway. I don't know if you're guaranteed that, but that's what I've been getting. Okay. Alright, this pack. We got Chris Bryant, KB, Josh Donaldson, Jared Kelenic. The mystifying Jared Kelenic. Guy's got so much talent, but cannot seem to hack it in the big leagues. I wish he would get it turned around. Garrett Cole, Jose Barrero, because I have some nice Jared Kelenic cards. I don't want him to do good on one hand because I'm a Rangers fan, but since I have so many nice Jared Kelenic cards, I want him to do good. Brady Allen, Bowman First. Brian Bello, Bowman First paper. Adley Rushman. There we go. Misiel Gonzalez, Bowman First. And Wilman Diaz. That's a nice looking chrome. Getting a lot of hitters. Seems like sometimes you get your Bowman First and they're pitchers or something. So we're getting hitters up here. Freddie Freeman. Soto. Marcus Semien on the Rangers. Seth, grab me a beer, why don't you? Rookie. Brandon Marsh, rookie. Marcel Urbina. Fran Aldui, rookie, or Bowman First. Darren Baker, Bowman First. Hendry Mendez, Bowman First Chrome, and a Christian Hernandez. Alright, we'll see if we'll get 4 for 4 on Bowman First Chrome cards in each of these packs. Grab me a burger, why don't you? Rookie. Jesse Winker. Javier Baez. Nick Madrigal. Matt Chapman. There's a nice Bowman First. Ellie De La Cruz. Helio Ramos. Adrian Sagasti Bowman first, and a Dario Lopez Bowman first chrome, and a Pedro Leon. So let's leave that one. Oh, I want to knock those around. Now for the mega packs. Now let's go ahead and do this one first. Pack odds. Okay, there we go. Bowman first. Maki Backstrom. I'm going to sleeve these after. Christian Hernandez. A Noelve Marte Hi-Fi Futures. Brady Allen Bowman first. And a Ronner Quintero. Did I say Quintero? Quintero Bowman first. So 3 Bowman first Mojo refractors. Of course, everybody loves Mojo refractors. They're a nice upgrade from just if you have the regular chrome Bowman first. It's nice to have the Mojo. And they're so much lower produced than the regular chromes. That's why people want them. Okay. Now for the second pack here. Oh, that didn't open so well. So there's got to be a huge hitter in this one because the pack didn't open up very smoothly. Okay. Marcelo Meyer. Sedane Raffaele. Bowman first. Oh, nice. Wander Franco. Rookie of the Year favorites. I didn't even think of this, but yeah, this is the search for Wander, right? 2020. Shaylin Polanco and a Fran Alduy. Almost dropped that card. So we got a Guardians Bowman first. Are you used to the Cleveland Guardians yet, or do you still call them the Indians? Like that Wander. Mojo, really cool insert, rookie. I'm trying to make sure I don't have a little something on that sleeve. You definitely don't want a little piece of dust as you're sleeving a card and put a big old scratch on your card. That would suck. Just toss that, just in case there's a little dust in there. There's a Bowman first, and there's the great Marcelo Meyer. Alright, so that was a pretty fun little box. A lot of cool Mojo cards. So we got a Marcelo Meyer, a Sedane Raffaele Bowman first, Fran Alduy Bowman first, Maki Backstrom Bowman first. These are all Mojos. Brady Allen Bowman first, a Noelve Marte Hi-Fi Futures, Ronnier Quintero Bowman first, and these were the regular chrome ones. Dario Lopez, Hendry Mendez, Miciel Gonzalez, and Logan Cerny. And my favorite card, Wander Franco. And you better believe I'm going to really strongly consider grading that because it looks awesome. And it has got the rookie card symbol. Centering looks great. Edges, corners look great. Boom. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos later.